Introduction. Welcome to FarmFlux USA. In this 2025 complete guide, we'll take you step by step through everything you need to know to start a successful, profitable cow farm in the United States, even if you're a beginner. Whether you're in Texas, California, Ohio, or anywhere in the USA, this is your roadmap to building a real, income-generating farm. Chapter 1. Why start cow farming in the USA? Huge demand for dairy, beef, organic milk. Government support, grants, and subsidies. Growing market for grass-fed beef and raw milk. Ring meat exports. Farming lifestyle benefits. Passive income, land value. Chapter 2. Types of cow farming. Dairy farming, milk production. Beef cattle farming. Mixed farming, dairy plus beef. Breeding, calf rearing. Organic, grass-fed operations. Chapter 3. Investment and cost. Breakdown. You can start a basic cow farm with $30,000 to $80,000 and scale up to $500,000 plus for commercial farms. Startup costs. Estimated cost. USD. Land, 5 to 10 acres lease. $10,000, $40,000, barn shed construction $5,000, $20,000, fencing and water systems $2,000, $5,000, cows, dairy beef 5 to 10 cows, $10,000, $25,000, feeding equipment $3,000, $8,000, milking machine $2,000, $5,000, vet, insurance, legal, other $3,000, $10,000. Chapter 4. Selecting the right cow. Be best breeds profit use. Dairy Holstein, Jersey, Guernsey high milk yield. Beef Angus, Hereford, Brahman meat and breeding. Dual purpose Simmental. Brown Swiss milk. Plus meat. Chapter 5. Land, shelter, and farm layout. LHW many acres per cow? 1.5 to 2 acres recommended. Barn planning, water supply setup, manure management, shade and weather protection. Feeding zones. Chapter 6. Feeding and nutrition. Types of feed. Hay, silage, grain, supplements. How to grow your own fodder. Feed ratio based on breed and age. Water needs. 30-50 liters day. Cow winter feeding versus summer feeding. Chapter 7. Health, vaccination, and cow care. Common diseases. Mastitis, foot and mouth, parasites. Vaccination schedule, insurance options, emergency care tips, how to spot unhealthy behavior. Chapter 8. Milking, storage, and dairy management. Manual versus automated milking. Milking routine, twice a day. Cold storage setup. Packaging options. Selling to cooperatives, retail, or directly. Chapter 9. Beef farming and marketing. Raising steers for meat. Feeding cycle and weight gain timeline. When to send to slaughter. Organic certification. Direct-to-consumer sales. Farmers markets online. Chapter 10. Licenses, laws, and USDA regulations. Farm registration, state level. Animal welfare laws, milk and meat regulations. Organic certification process. Tax benefits for farmers. Chapter 11. Hiring labor and automation. When to hire help. Cost of farm hands in USA. Automation tools, feeding, milking, cleaning, time management tips. Chapter 12. Profit and business plan. Average monthly profit, small farm, $3,000, $10,000 per month. Breakdown. Income sources monthly, AVG, milk sales, Y 500 plus, meat sales 2,000 plus, manure, fertilizer 500 plus, calf selling 1,000 plus, direct tours, events 500 plus, scaling to 50, 100 cows, or 20K plus month possible. Chapter 13. Marketing your farm. Website and social media. Google Maps, local SEO. How to get buyers for milk, beef, YouTube channel, FB page, community post. Chapter 14. Mistakes to avoid. Overbuying cows too early. Not testing soil, water, ignoring health plans, no backup fund. Chapter 15. Real farm stories. Interviews with small and large farm owners. Success stories from Texas, Ohio, California. Conclusion. Farming is not just about cows and crops. It's about building a sustainable future for your family, your community, and your country. Start small, think big, and trust the process.